Afternoon and welcome to the video of our Volkswagen Golf R 2017 67 plate. This car has been tastefully exterior modified with side skirts, rear diffuser and front lip spoiler and wind deflectors, which make the car really stand out, as you can see. The car's fitted with the 18-inch alloys standard, finished in grey. Really does look the part. Inside, the car has the Vienna leather upgrade. It also comes with cruise, discovery nav, heated seats. It's very well presented inside. As you can see, the leather hardly worn, little bit of bolster wear there, but very minor. And in the rear of the car, the seats are in very good condition. We take part exchanges, we offer finance, which you can check out on our website at www.carltonhaynes.co.uk. And yeah, thanks for looking.